Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lisa Marie back at you with another wig review. If you would like to see how I slate this beautiful wig on my head, please stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell button so you can be notified every time I post a video. Okay, ladies, so yeah, this is your girl Lisa Marie. I'm coming back at you with this video to show you how I slayed this beautiful hair, or tell you how I slayed it. Yeah, I love this hair. It is so gorgeous, you guys. It is so gorgeous. Okay, first, let me get the details out the way. I got this wig from my local beauty supply store. I was just in there trying on wigs, browsing, and I came across this beauty. And yeah, I love it. I love this half up, half down situation that's going on. It's gorgeous. It takes me back to my little high school days when I used to wear my hair like this all the time. So yeah, let me show you guys the stock card. This is the Hollywood collection, and it's their sister wig. One of their sister wigs, yeah. And this style I got is called ROYA. That's her right there. And see, on the stock card, her hair is down on the stock card. Because you can wear your hair down. You can take the ponytail down and wear it like this. Or you can wear it like I got it. And then on the back side, it has the little bun, which shows you, you know, how you can wear it or whatever. I got her in a number 1 because I love my black hair. And yeah, I just love this wig. I have really nothing negative to say about this wig. It has a very nice texture to it. Not a very silky texture, not a real thick texture, just like in the middle, like kind of coarse, but like in the middle between silky and coarse. So it's perfect. It's perfect. I haven't been getting no shedding from this hair. I will say I do get a little tangling, just a little bit, and that's just like around the nape area, and in the back. But all you have to do is get a wig brush, comb it out. But other than that, this wig is big head friendly. You have plenty space in this cap. Like, this cap is so comfortable. It's beautiful. It comes with 2 combs in the back, 2 combs up here at the top. And yeah, this is a hit. Like, I love this wig. It's beautiful. And so all I did with this wig is when I pulled it out the bag, it looked like this automatically, period. Only thing I did was just took some of my concealer and I just went around the part, because it's a circle part. I just went around the whole part with my concealer or whatever, because it was a little too bright and it just didn't look like my scalp. So I just wanted to hit it with a little concealer. But I absolutely love this wig, you guys. It's beautiful. I'm gonna show you the part so you guys can see it. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous, you guys. So yeah, I'm not a lace front connoisseur or none of that shit. So I laid her the best I could. Okay, so don't come for me in them comments. Okay, I did my best, and I think I did a damn good job. So yeah, she's pretty. I love this wig. I love this wig. And like, I'm gonna wear her like this for a couple days, but then eventually I'm gonna take the genie ponytail down and I'm going to rock her down. And this wig, it has so much. It's kind of like a free part wig, because I can part it down the middle, I can wear it to the side, you know, like this, how far this part goes back, that's how far this is, like if you was to take it down and part it. So yeah, you have plenty of parting space. But yeah, I love this wig. It's beautiful. And like, if you want to put it like, I'm sorry I'm looking over here because I'm looking at myself. I need to be looking at the camera. But anyway, y'all didn't come here for that. But anyway, yeah, you can put it up in a bun. Do a little ninja bun. You know, if you want to rock that with it and still be cute, you know. Like, bitch, what? I got my ninja bun, bitch. You can't tell me nothing. So, yeah. Yeah, you can rock it anyway. But, yeah, I like it down. I like the little genie ponytail. It's cute to me. So, yeah, I'll be rocking it like this. But, yeah, that's all, you guys. I just want to come to you guys and show you this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous wig I have on. I love this wig. I love this wig. I love when I find very, like, nice wigs, because it's hard finding just a good ass, nice ass wig that don't look just too wiggy. You know what I'm saying? Like, of course, if you wear a wig, people gonna know, okay, oh yeah, that's a wig. But, you know, if it don't look too wiggy, you know, I can fuck with that. You know what I'm saying? Like, I like this. I like this. And of course, people gonna know this a wig because people know my hair ain't this damn long and all of that shit there. But I think I slayed the hell out of this wig, and I think it looks really good on me. So, yeah. And I think it'll look good on you, too. So, that's why you should just look at this tutorial and go get you one. This review and go get you one. Oh, what I purchased her for was $33.99. She's ear-to-ear lace. And yeah, but what I'm gonna do for you girls, I'm gonna get on samsbeauty.com and see if they have her on there. And if they do, which Sam's Beauty most likely will have her on there, and she might be just a little bit more cheaper because I order a lot of my wigs off of Sam's Beauty and they always have a pretty good deal. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get on there, find her, and I'm gonna link the link below in the description bar. So just be sure to check out the description bar, and yeah, you can find her there. Just in case your local beauty supply store don't have this wig. But for the people that watch my channel that's local, like my friends and family, that's in the Fort Worth area, I got her from USA Beauty. Yes, ma'am. USA. So if you want to go, after you watch this video, and go get you one, I got her from USA, okay? So, yeah. She's gorgeous, and I love this wig. Love this wig, okay? So, yeah, that's enough rambling, because, baby, I can look at myself all day in this camera, okay? So, yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. Let me know if you enjoyed the review. Please leave me a comment in the comments. Let me know if you have any questions that I didn't answer about the wig, and I'll be sure to answer them and get back with you. Yeah, so thanks for watching, you guys, and until next time, God bless.